Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Discord server. First, open your Discord application and navigate to the server you intend to remove. Once there, click on the server's name, located at the top left of your screen. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Server Settings. Now that you're in the Server Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll need to scroll down a bit to find the Delete Server option. It's usually positioned towards the bottom of the list of settings categories. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process, but don't worry, there's still a confirmation step to ensure you truly want to proceed. Comfort is key for any headset, and the H390 addresses this with an adjustable, padded headband. The swivel-mounted, leatherette ear cushions are designed for hours of comfortable wear, though some users find them less ideal for very prolonged sessions. Weighing approximately 6.9 ounces, it's quite lightweight. Plus, the durable 6.2-foot USB-A cable offers good freedom of movement. Before you finalize the deletion, remember that this action is permanent and irreversible. All your channels, messages, and custom roles within that server will be lost forever. Only the server owner has the necessary permissions to delete a server. If you are not the owner, you will not see the delete option. Be absolutely certain before proceeding with this final step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.